and then Bush and McDougal rounding out the field. We're coming to green.
Green flag is out. Chase Jones out to the early lead, but Anton Hernandez crosses him back over. Hernandez is going to lead lap number 1.
Hernandez to the top. Oh, the 13 of Weintraub gets into the inside wall and can't make it work. And look out. Here comes Chase Jones.
Chase Jones sticks her back on top, and we're going to have a red flag here.
We are red. We are red.
Red flag.
Red, red, red. We
Mike
are red.
Oddie.
So we went red. Of course, we used the choose restart, and we are green. We are green, green, green once again.
We are back to green here. Jason McDougal going 3 wide down the backstretch. McDougal going to fall into second here. Chase Jones with the old Ripper Magoo around the top side. Jones is going to try to pull out to a little bit of a lead, but Anton Hernandez crosses him back. Hernandez leads lap number 3.
3 wide for the lead. Oddie, Jones, and Hernandez.
Mike Oddie is undoubtedly the oldest competitor here. I don't know about James Weintraub, but it's cool to see the mixture of professionals and amateurs in this event. That's what has made TNT very cool. Jason McDougal sticks her in the turn 1 and 2 wall, and McDougal's not going to be able to get turned around here. We are red flag out here, McDougal.
McDougal tried to knock the wall down start of night. We're coming back to green.
Here we are, Jason Burgess, green flag. Chase Jones gets the jump though. Hernandez gets in the wall coming off of turn 4. Jones, but here comes Weintraub. James Weintraub leads lap number 8. That could be Weintraub's first lap led here. And tonight it actually is his first lap. This is the first A main for Weintraub. Weintraub's pulling out to a nice little lead here. Oh my, Mike Oddie gets around, but Oddie's gonna keep her going.
Back up front, Chase Jones, Hernandez. Oh, Weintraub goes around.
Weintraub knows they're in here in turns 1 and 2. I tell you what, Dave, just giving old Weintraub the tip of the hat about how well he's doing. He was in the C main tonight, Dave.
Sorry, I was reading Facebook and I missed
Here
you. But we're green again. We're green.
Back
Chase
to
to the
green
lead.
flag.
Hernandez dives back underneath. Hernandez back to the point. They're 3 wide for P2 as we end stage 1. Hernandez gets a championship point. I always want to point out, folks at home, folks here, nobody's ever done this. Nobody's ever done this.
So is this turns 1 and 2, or is that turns 3 and 4?
That's what we're going to do. So now they're in 4. Now they're in 3. They're going down through the curves. Headed into turn 2 and then turn 1. Chase Jones takes the lead.
Here we go. Chase Jones going into turn 4-1, and now he's coming off of turn 3-2. Don't really know what we're at here. Chase Jones is going to lead the second lap of the stage, but here comes Hernandez. Hernandez fighting back on the inside. But here comes McDougal.
McDougal taking the right-hand turns to the front.
McDougal in that Wheeler Motorsports, the tip Rolex Jordan entry. McDougal's got to find, he's found a line here. McDougal's doing better turning right than he was turning left. But here they are, 3 wides through turns 3 and 4. And Anton Hernandez comes out on top though.
Anton Hernandez showing him what he's made of. We're getting to the end of this stage. I'll be real curious to see how they stack up for that final stage.
Here we go. Hernandez going to throw the slider. Here comes Hernandez to the lead. Stuffed in the wall. I'll tell you what, Dave, this is a whole new perspective than what we're used to. We're 4 wide going down the front backstretch here.
Weintraub to the front. Can Weintraub do it in stage 2? Chase Jones on the top.
Here we go. Weintraub finds his way back to the lead. Chase Jones. Jones picks the lead back, and Jones is going to lead lap 26. We have 4 laps to go here in this stage, Dave.
McDougal is hammering the top. Hammering it.
McDougal back to the lead. McDougal needs these stage points to be able to surpass Kevin Thomas Jr. for that second spot in the points.
McDougal to the point. Hernandez gets into it with Chase Jones. That gives McDougal a little bit of a run as we near the end of this stage. Remember, a stage point is critical for championship points for McDougal.
Here we are. The yellow checkered flag is out. Jason McDougal picks up stage number 2. Here we are. the final 20 laps of TNT at SIK. We are green. Jason McDougal back to the lead, but Anton Hernandez, the little crossover, Hernandez is going to lead lap 31.
Chase Jones. Chase Jones to the point now. This is an unbelievable race. 3 wide for P2, and don't look now. Weintraub goes to the front.
James Weintraub, if James Weintraub wins this race, this place is going to come unglued. As I say that, Weintraub gets the bad luck and gets spun around. But that puts Anton Hernandez back to the point, and here comes Jason McDougal. McDougal looking to the inside, got it. McDougal back to the lead with 15 laps to go.
Hernandez and Jones battling for P2. That's giving McDougal just a little bit of room to breathe. Keep in mind, McDougal's P3 in points coming into the night, so he's going to run as hard as he can to try to step up on that podium in the championship.
Here we are. We got Jason McDougal in the lead, Hernandez in second. McDougal has been so close so many times to picking up a main victory. Can tonight be the night? There's only 10 laps that separate him from the top spot of the podium, but looking back into second place, Chase Jones is battling hard with Anton Hernandez. Jason McDougal's hitting lap traffic here. I don't know if it's going to slow him down enough, though.
McDougal has a sizable lead. He's just got to keep himself calm and steady as he works this lap traffic. It looks like Hernandez just can't keep up with the pace that McDougal's setting here, although it's getting pretty racy in the back right in front of McDougal. Let's see how that plays out.
McDougal does have the fastest lap of the race here with a 7.926. It's about a tenth faster than everybody else. We have 5 to go for your leader, Jace McDougal. 5 to go, but here we are.
We're going down, we're going down. It's going down.
A red flag here, Dave.
Just like
that.
Just
got interesting. Here we are. We have 5 laps to go for all the marbles coming off turn number 4. Green flag. Jason McDougal gets a jump on the field. McDougal out to the lead. McDougal pulls out to about a kart length advantage over Chase Jones. Chase Jones needs to get clear of Anton here if he's going to have any chance of catching McDougal. 2 to go from Chief Starter Jason Burgess. White flag is in the air for Jason McDougal. J-Mac all the way from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, off of turn number 4. Jason McDougal wins night number 8.
I got to put on my car owner hat first. Jason McDougal in the 69 machine. It took 7 weeks of agony to finally put it here in victory lane for TNT at SIK.
Yeah, I mean, we had a pretty good kart in the feature there. It felt good to get some consistent laps in, and going backwards was by far the most fun I've had here.
Talk to me about the entire 8 weeks, though, man. It has been an absolute blast. And to be able to finish it off here, now we kick things off with the outside world for the sprint cars and obviously rolling into the 103rd Indianapolis 500. Looking back, man, talk to me about what you think.
And we've had I wouldn't say a long 8 weeks because it seems like it goes by almost every day we're racing, but and this is an amazing opportunity for us to get out and do something because you never know what the weather's going to do in Indianapolis.
Ladies and gentlemen, your main winner, that is Jason McDougal. Second place tonight, Chase Jones, number 17 machine, buddy. Another podium.
Yeah, I can't complain too much about that. 4 podiums is not too bad, especially running the top 3 for those nights. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. Going backwards was definitely a change, and the top side was way more fun and had a lot of grip. So that was cool to try out, and hopefully we can implement some of that next year as well.
So a round of applause there for Chase Jones. He's going to move over here. And in the 3rd position, the first time he's here, puts it on the podium, hands together, Anton Hernandez.
Oh, it was a lot of fun. The goal was just to make the A, and we did it. But I just couldn't thank you and for giving me the call and Tim Creech for the ride. But yeah, it was a fun deal, and it was definitely interesting going backwards. I had a lot of fun doing that. But yeah, it was just a clean, hard racing, and I'm glad I got to come and